This is pretty cool. I found these railroad tracks. I was checking out a boondocking spot and found these railroad tracks that are pretty cool. And I'm going to show you guys what looks to be like this grass landing strip for small airplanes right next to the train tracks. Pretty cool. Check this out. Yeah. So there's the tracks stretching out in the eastern direction. These are the tracks going in the western direction. I'm standing on the tracks. Not recommended. I have skill at standing on train tracks. So, and then look right in front of me, guys. You have like this grass landing strip for smaller aircraft, which is pretty cool. Yep, definitely nice. So from exploring, this is what I found. Bill Martin Field. It's pretty cool, so let's go check it out. So this obviously is a takeoff and landing strip for RC airplanes. The stuff you find just out walking around, exploring, living your life, even by accident, you find some really cool places. You know, look at that. That's pretty cool, right? There's the little command center. These are some lost wingmen. May they rest in peace. Gary in the middle of an airstrip. Pretty cool place, I will say that. I wish some guys were here. I could get some lessons on RC controllers, because I'm going to be getting a drone at some point in the future.
Why do you think that I am not responsible for this railroad? Why, I tell you that I am.